beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, we have our mystery bundles by FFF. These are the fall mystery bundles. I have 4. So these are some of the bundles I received that we're going to be doing today. I have 4 of them. So what I picked up was the surprise bath and body bundle, which was valued at which cost $24.99. I also picked up the surprise home bundle, which was $24.99, and I also picked up the surprise skincare bundle, which was $24.99. And then there was a mystery bundle, which was $19.99 that I picked up. So we're getting right into this. I'm going to give you my best guess of which one is which. So I'm going to start out with this first bag here. This is the first one here. I think this is the skincare bundle for $24.99 because it's all skincare stuff in here. So let's see. So this is bundle here. It has the SKU right here because I know sometimes they do the same ones all the time. So let's get into this one. We have a Kate Somerville exfoliate. This is the regular size one, which is really good because I had to toss the other one I had because it kind of dried up. So now I got a replacement, which is great, and I like using this as an exfoliator. This is a really good one. So that was, and this is pretty pricey too. I think this is like $50 or $60 by itself, regular price. The next item in this bag is a Corona sleeping mask. I'm not familiar with this brand. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but it looks like Corona to me. Karuna sleeping mask. It says niacinamide and prickle pear. And does it say what this is supposed to do? Yes. It says beautiful skin is a balancing act, but it's not out of reach. So this product here is supposed to empower 8 hours of rest and overnight with the sleeping mask and restore the skin's balance, all in a good night's sleep. So let's pop it open so I can show you what it looks like outside of the packaging. So this is the product, and it has a little pump. I guess we just take a little bit of this on our face and use this like our nighttime moisturizer before we turn it and get the benefits of a sleeping mask. I really like these in the winter time too. These sleeping masks, they come in handy. They kind of restore your skin from being all the dry weather and everything. So alright, so the next item in here we have an Earth Harbor, and this is the, what is this, the Obscura. I'm probably butchering it to death, but you know. So this product here says, what does this one do? It says your path clear to a spot-free, healthier looking skin with Obscura detoxifying reset ampule. Okay, so this is facilitating overnight recovery, detox, and complexion refiner. Oh, okay, so that's neat. Let me take it out of here to show you guys. I don't think I've ever tried this one before, so I like Earth Harbor. I haven't tried it. Look how black it looks in here. Yeah, and it looks black too. Wow, I've never seen one like that. So that is what I'm going to say is the surprise skincare bundle, if I had to guess. So let's go to our next products. So the next one, I think this is the bath and body bundle, if I had to guess. So we got 3 products in here. Here's the SKU number for those of you that care. But the first item in here is a whisk product. And this is the Desert Collection Body Firming Cream. Okay. Does it smell? I don't smell nothing through here, but this is how it pumps out almost like a mousse, which is pretty cool. Okay, so they created a proprietary blend that helps combat moisture loss, calms the skin, and is also bodied with antioxidants, leaving you feeling refreshed and moisturized. I like that it comes out almost like a mousse. I've never seen like a body cream come quite like this. So that's pretty neat that it has that kind of top to it. The next item we have, guys, is a Spongelle. I could tell that just by how the label looks. It's a Spongelle body product. This is the hand and body wash. And we have Freesia. Looks like Freesia Pear is the scent that we have. And this is a nice size one too. This is 11 fluid ounces. This is a nice size one. Nice. I like Spongelle products. Normally you just see the Spongelle exfoliating thing, but this time I actually got a body wash, so that's pretty cool. I get to try that out. We got one more item in this bag, and it's a Isla. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if you guys heard of this brand. I haven't heard of this brand. This is the Snow Scrub Body, Snow Scrub Face Exfoliator. My bad. This is a face exfoliator, and it's supposed to refine your skin complexion with a silky snow texture exfoliator, and pretty much it. You just use it 2 to 3 times a week, AM or PM. I'm going to slide it out just so you can see what the product looks like outside. This is, kind of got to push this one out. Let's see. So this is what the product looks like. Does it have a seal? Oh, it has a little thingy on it. So that's what it looks like on the inside, guys. So I like exfoliators. I like all kind, body, face, it doesn't matter, especially in the wintertime to kind of get some of that dead dry skin off. So this definitely comes in handy for me. So that was what I said was, I think that was the Bath and Body bundle. So that would have been valued at $24.99 for those 3 products. So let's go to our next one. Okay, guys, so here's the one that I think is the mystery bundle one. So we have this big one here. So let's see what's in this one. Alright, I guess I'll go with the big boxes first. So this is the first one. This is Pure One's 3 ceramic prep bowls. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what these look like. And they're like different sizes too. Look, it can sit right in here. It looks like they're different sizes. Let me see. I could be wrong. They all could be the same size. Yeah, they all look like they're the same size. So we got the green one, the light blue one, and the pink. So when you're prepping your stuff, you have something to put your bell peppers in, your onions in, your celery in, whatever you prepping. But I'm just saying stuff you could put in here. But I think this is pretty cool. So that was pretty neat. I've been wanting some of these anyway. So that actually worked out very well. So let's see what's in the next boxes. Okay, guys, so this box here has no name. So let's see what it is. This is a box with no name. A box with no name. A box with no name. Oh, wow. Wasn't expecting that. Dude, this is a juicer. Stop playing. Wow. It's an electric juicer. You can make your own orange juice or lemon juice for your recipes. Fresh lemon juice. Oh, wow. I've never got one of these before. That is pretty neat. How cool is that? An actual juicer. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see what else this last one is. We got some kind of serving tray. Look at this. A gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Told you this stuff comes in handy for Christmas. So let me pop it out of here so you guys can see outside of the box. This was actually, that was a really good mystery bundle. Oh, wow. So this is the set, guys. You get your 2 little, I guess the cheese spreader and the little mini fork go with it. And this is a nice size little wood one, a nice for entertaining, especially with the holidays coming up. This would be great for setting your little cheeses on when you're having company. Very nice. So wood, ceramic, and steel. I'm assuming the knife and the fork is the steel portion of this. But this was created, what was the name of this company? Twinge Living is the name of the company. But I think this is pretty nice. So this is what I'm thinking is the mystery bundle. So for $19.99 to get all of this stuff was really good. I'm impressed. So let's go to the next mystery bundle. So this is our bundle. This is the code if you guys can read it, if you care to know what it is. So this is what I think is the home bundle. So this is the one I think is the home bundle. So let's take a look. I could be wrong, man. Who knows? They don't mark none of this stuff. You don't know which bundle is which. I'm just guessing. So I'll start with this item here. We have a 3-piece silicone baking set by Cheek and Tonic. They are a usual brand in the FabFitFun box. Let's take this out and see what this looks like. I've been wanting a silicone mat for when I bake cookies around the holidays to put on my sheets. So, ooh, look at the color. Ooh, isn't that fun? Look at the colors on this one. And then you have the 2 little mini spatulas to go with it. So you got a nice medium-sized one and a really small one. And you have your silicone mat. I think that is nice. How neat is that? And it comes right in handy for the holidays. So I can't ask for anything better than that. Let's see what the next thing is. The next item, I'm going to go with the small one and we'll finish off with the big one. So we have a Fenty product in this one. See, this could have been the mystery one too. I don't know which one is which, because maybe the other one, it could have been the home bundle. Yeah, now I'm thinking the last one was the home bundle, and this could have been the mystery bundle is what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. That seems like it fits, doesn't it? Well, who cares? Anyhow, we have a Fenty product. And we have their Pro Kiss Luscious Lip Balm in the color Cocoa Drizzle. So I love Fenty products. And this is like a dark looking purplish color to me. So that would work perfect for myself. Can we see? Yeah, it's more like a purple color. So that'll be fun. And this is like a lip balm. So how cool is that? And we have one product left in this mystery bag. Dun, 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 dun. We have Lipitri. I am not familiar with this brand, so I probably am butchering the name as usual. And it looks like we have a giant candle. So this one is called, what is this? Fig leaf and cedar scented candle. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And it says this is the Serafina collection. We have, oh, it smells nice. We have this little purple top that goes to the candle. Let me take it out of here so I can show you guys. And this is our candle. Isn't that nice? This is a nice size candle too. This is how many? 17 ounces. So, and it has the pretty little flowers or leaves or something on here. Very nice. It has a nice fragrance to it. It's not fruity. It's more of a clean kind of scent. Yeah, I smell the cedar wood. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely not a fruity candle. More of a clean scent. I like that. Very nice. So that's how that would look there. Very cute. Okay, gang, we got a lot to review. Actually, I'm not going to review anything. It's too much stuff. This, I thought, was some really good bundles. I've seen things in this set of bundles that I haven't seen before. Never have I ever got a juicer. A juicer from FabFitFun. We have our silicone baking set. Thought that was wonderful. This is great. Like, if you're looking for Christmas gifts, you could have got everything you needed probably in some of these bundles. This is a beautiful candle. I'm sure the candle probably costs more than the whole bundle costs altogether. We have some skincare products. We got Spongelle, we got Wish, we got Kate Somerville. So some of these names you're familiar with, and you know that they are pretty pricey. And I think this was a great set of products in the bundle. I'm very pleased with everything that I got. I can use some of these for Christmas gifts, which is my favorite part. And I mean, the prices I think were really good. $24.99 was 3 of the bundles, and one of them was $19.99. Dude, this is a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I think I did really good on this bundle set. I would love to hear what you guys think about these bundles that I just did. If you picked up any of these, did you get some of the same stuff or did you get something different in your bundles? Because I know they make different ones and they send out different little code numbers to everybody. So sometimes you don't all get the same stuff. But I thought this was really great. If this is how they're cleaning out their warehouse and making room for stuff, it works for me. So guys, that is today's video with the FabFitFun mystery bundles for the fall 2023. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. If you enjoy subscription boxes as much as I do, this may be the channel for you. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, bye!